Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to create your Franc investment account, to verify it, and also deposit money. We are going to use this platform to invest. Remember guys, we are creating our wealth. I will create another video where I go through the app so we can see all the details and everything that we need to know to understand the app better. But for now, let's just create the account. You start by downloading the app, and then it is a Franc investment app. Click get, and then after clicking get, it will download, and then you click open. So you just accept data privacy, and then you allow, and then you can click sign up or just go inside and click create an account, and then you enter first name, last name, email, password, and then you will get to this part. So here is just a message saying if you make a deposit, you'll get 25 Rand. So just click got it, and then you need to create your profile. So just click take a quiz, enter your age, your monthly income. After monthly income, you will enter how much you owe, and then answer those questions until you get to the end. And then after, you will go back to the app. It will lead you to that. So it did recommend that you are a safe investor. And then the next thing that you're going to do, click refer and earn. So this is just to get your referral link so that you can start promoting the app and make money. And then as you make money, you will be able to earn. So I'm posting to my WhatsApp, I'm posting to my YouTube, I'm posting to my Facebook account. So if people click, then I will make money, and the same money I can invest it back to Franc. So this is another way of making money. So let's go back. This is your referral code. People must enter that, and then you confirm your email address under contact information. You go to your email, verify the account, and then you are done. And then you go back to account information. You will see it now. So you scroll down, you'll see as well account information, and you will see contact number. So let's just go there, add contact. You enter your cell phone number now that the email is verified. After entering your cell phone number, it will send you an OTP. That OTP, you enter it, and then now your number is also verified. So this thing will keep moving. As the more it moves, the more you are actually getting verified. Now we're verifying the identity. So you just click do it now. You take a picture of your ID, select the country first, and then after taking the picture of your ID, you are going to upload a photo of your ID. So you just choose one, the one that you have. If you have a PDF somewhere, upload that one, or you can just send an email to this email address. So I took a picture, I uploaded, and then now it is going for verification. So yeah, let's just do that. Select mine is smart ID card. So if yours is green, you can select that. Enter the address as well, because they do want your address. And then the verification is pending. And then can you see that it's moving? And then you'll get an email. Within 5 minutes, I got mine. The next thing that we are going to do, we are going to invest, but then let's learn more first. So click learn more instead of invest. Learn about the products, learn about the fees. You want to know how much you're going to pay when you withdraw, how much you're going to pay if you withdraw not ready, and then you see the different types of account. There's pro account. So this 19 Rand per month, it means if you do not deposit according to what you want, they are going to charge you. And then there's a calculator where you can specify the amount you want to invest and the years, and then for me it's 370 times 12, 8,880. So 1,120 is my profit. So now where do you want to start? Do you want to invest or do you want to do a saving? So I chose investment. Now I'm going to choose emergency fund. The strategy is basically saying, are you a safe person, bold, or very safe? And then the next thing, you will click emergency fund, and then towards a goal. So towards a goal is like you want to do it monthly, but invest regularly, it's when you want. So since we know that the calculator said 370, it's what I can do. You can do more or less, but just make sure that every month you are saving something. The discipline is important. So the strategy is you select what you think is best for you. So if you select balance, you will get 10,338, but obviously the risk is higher. If you select custom as well, you click view performance, and then you will see that with custom you will do that. So I selected a very safe. I was supposed to select safe, but anyway, so the lesser you select, like safe, very safe, the percentage is less. So you just click confirm, and then they ask you how many times are you going to deposit. So you just estimate, and then I think I chose 15 or 20, I don't remember. You select the one that you want, and then now we are ready. If you do not know, you just see people, what people are saying, and then the next thing, you select the bank account that you're going to do. You enter the amount that you want. So the page will ask you, let's start investing, and then I did select 400 rand, and then how will I find my investment, and then I need to specify, and then deposit summary, it will take you to a bank. So you select the bank. Mine is Capitec for now. And then when you see this page, you just have to go and log into your account and then verify the payment. So let me verify the payment. Done. So now I will go back to the app. It will take me back by clicking return to Franc stock fair. And then the next thing, you will say update my deposit reminder. And then as well as this is the money already in my account within few seconds, and the 25 rand is what they have given to me. So this is how you create an account, verify. Thank you.